Hello everyone. Today I am here to talk to you about the importance of healthy habits for busy people. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to get caught up in the never-ending hustle and bustle, forgetting about our health. However, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for our overall well-being. In this video, I will be sharing some key tips and tricks on how to incorporate healthy habits into your busy routine. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of a balanced diet. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains is crucial for receiving the essential nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Try to plan your meals in advance and prepare healthy meals in advance to make healthy eating easier and more convenient. Next up is regular exercise. Even if you're just a few minutes away from your desk, try to get moving every day. This can include taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking around the block, or even doing some light stretching. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week to boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve your overall health. Another essential habit is getting enough sleep. Prioritize sleep by creating a consistent sleep schedule and establishing a relaxing bedtime routine. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help your body and mind recharge and function at their best. Lastly, don't forget the importance of staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help control your appetite, aid in digestion, and keep your skin looking healthy. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day and consider replacing sugary drinks with water or other healthier options. In summary, incorporating healthy habits into your busy routine is easier than you think. By prioritizing a balanced diet, regular exercise, getting enough sleep, and staying hydrated, you can make a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. Remember, taking care of yourself is the best investment you can make.